San Diego Made, San Diego Proud. Good morning, everyone. I'm Carrie Lane, and we are celebrating business members who have helped define San Diego as America's finest city. With me this morning is Dr. Julie Ellner from Alvarado Hospital, and Dr. Ellner is an expert in surgical weight loss, and she has some interesting insight into these procedures and who exactly is the candidate. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I'm sure just about everyone out there watching can relate. I mean, whether it's just trying to lose a pound or two or a significant amount of weight,
right.
And diet doesn't always necessarily work by itself, and you have other options.
That's right. That's where I come in for people who have frequently been dieting for years or decades and are struggling with 80 or 90 or 100 or more pounds that they're trying to lose. But what a lot of people, I think, don't realize until they start researching it is that surgery is just a piece of a bigger answer. One of the biggest jobs I have in my practice is helping my patients use the surgery as part of an entire lifestyle change. There's a lot that comes into it, and a lot of people think that, oh gosh, exercise is very daunting and I don't feel comfortable going into a gym. And oftentimes that's the biggest emotional obstacle for my patients. It's just kind of learning how to incorporate exercise into their program. But thankfully, I don't have to teach my patients all by myself. I have a lot of patients who really teach other patients by example and help me with that. The first patient I have to feature today is Jessica. Now, Jessica is a force of nature. Jessica has a lot of sticks in the fire, like a lot of people, and for a lot of people, they say it's not the physically being able to do the exercise, it's where do I find the 25th hour in the day to do this. And Jessica has brought to my practice a fitness program that involves outdoor hiking and outdoor exercises. So many of my patients have jumped on board with her to jump into that outdoor exercise program. She's lost about 70 pounds in 4 months.
Which, and I want to say here, you're looking, we saw the before picture and this is the after. And whenever you bring these pictures in, they're just astonishing. It's amazing the difference that it makes. But again, like you said, surgery will jumpstart it, but it is an overall lifestyle. And finding time for the gym, it's a commitment and you have to make it a priority.
That's right. Some of my patients even make a career out of it, like Angie, who is my next patient that we'll see pictures of here. Angie really struggled with her weight because she really aspired to be a personal trainer, and that's what she wanted out of life, but she clearly wasn't getting there because her body was holding her back. So you can see in her after picture, she's just as cute as can be. She's on a dive trip here. So she not only became a certified personal trainer, but she took up diving. She is now in a wonderful relationship that she feels that she wouldn't have been in had she not really achieved the emotional and personal success that she has with this. So she really has reached out to patients, and she's now focused on patients in her personal training who have had bariatric surgery. So every patient brings something to my practice, and these two ladies have really become role models in my practice.
Angie's pictures are unbelievable. She looks like a totally different person.
I know.
Now, for those that are at home and watching and they want to get involved, they have some questions, you have a seminar coming up next week.
That's right. Thursday, October 11th at 6 p.m. at Alvarado Hospital. I'll be giving an extensive talk about the differences between the different types of surgery and how they work. And many of my patients, like Jessica, will come to the lecture afterwards and just have personal chats with patients who are there.
I wish we had more time. This is something we could talk about forever. So many people can relate. Thank you so much.
Thanks for
having me. And we will
me.
post the information later this morning at KUSI.com if you want that information and you do want to attend the seminar next Thursday, October 11th. That's a look at today's San Diego Made, San Diego Proud. We'll see you all next time.